So typically, why would an organisation use a reporting tool?
Typically you have a large number of operational systems to run your business. Each of those operational systems probably does a good job of reporting on those operations, but to bring that all together into one central view and look at high level information and trends, you often need a separate solution just to do that one job.
With reporting in an organisation, some of the key problems are being able to access reports in an organisation, being able to govern that report, those reports coming out of the organisation, and provide the right security to share that data internally within the organisation and externally. So Dave, could you give me a brief overview of what the Spark platform can do to solve some of those business issues?
So the Spark platform allows you to make the most of Microsoft's Power BI, which is a dashboarding data visualization tool to create highly interactive dashboards. What the Spark platform allows you to do is to provide those dashboards to external users without them needing a Microsoft license or B, an account within your system. So it's about getting that information, that Power BI information out more easily to your external customers, suppliers or any other stakeholders.
And managing people's access to that reporting in a secure way.
Yes, controlling access, but not giving them access to your network.
What are the key benefits towards the Spark platform?
So one, reduce cost and administrative overhead. Second, it's quicker and easier to implement. And third, your users will get a better experience, a slicker portal that's easier to use.
So what are the key issues that you think the Spark platform can solve within a business?
Well, Microsoft Power BI is a fantastic tool, but it's not always the most intuitive thing to use, especially to connect to the dashboard and view the dashboards through the Power BI service. Okay. So also, if you've got external users, they're likely to need a login to your network, and you're also going to need a license for each of those users, or else you're going to have to buy an expensive central server license. So Spark helps us to get over those problems.
If you don't have a reporting solution within the business, why would you use Spark?
Well, Spark is an excellent way to try Power BI for very low cost to see what it can do for you.
If an organisation wants to discuss this platform with us, they just need to contact us in the first instance, and we can organise a workshop or a demonstration just to show them the capabilities of the platform.
Ricoh.